The prosecution closed its case today against the woman accused of conspiring with two men to kill her husband, banker Stephen Sherman. But before that happened, jurors heard from the only eyewitness in the case and a pathologist who determined what caused the banker's death. Our foreign query is following the case.
The niece of murdered banker Stephen Sherman, COB student Tanaj Hunt, told jurors that she was with her uncle on that fateful night on February 17th of last year when he was gunned down. She recalled that the banker picked her up around 7 p.m. to take her to his Yamacore Shores home, as she had made previous plans to fix her aunt Renae's hair. However, Hunt testified that seconds after she and her uncle pulled up to his Yamacore Shores house, a man ran up, took them to the side of the yard, and made them kneel down on the ground and empty their pockets. She told the court that she was forced to turn around. However, Hunt said she kept looking around, trying to get a glimpse of their assailant's face. And that's when she said she saw the man shoot her uncle in the head. Seconds later, Hunt said the shooter took her uncle's cell phone and about $10 and then fled the scene. She described the shooter as short in stature, with very dark complexion, wearing a bandana over his mouth and a cap on his head. Hunt said she is about 5 feet 5 inches tall, and the gunman was about 2 to 3 inches taller than her. The witness also indicated under cross-examination that she was never invited to an identification parade, even though she said she told police that she may have been able to identify the shooter if she saw him again. Meantime, PMH pathologist Dr. Karen Sands told jurors during today's proceedings that she performed an autopsy on Stephen Sherman back on February 21st, determining that he died from a gunshot wound to the head. She also indicated that Sherman's injury was due to a gun being fired at close range. Police Sergeant Basil Evans also testified yesterday that Chenaldo Farrington allegedly told him during a police interview that he got a call from Jermaine Russell, also known as Timer, who informed him that he got a call from a woman who wanted her husband dead because he beat her. The officer said Farrington allegedly told him that her husband had a big insurance and they would be paid well if they did the job. Now, prosecutors also closed their case today without calling a number of witnesses. Jurors were then excused to allow Attorney Muriel DeSeal to make legal submissions. Justice Roy Jones is expected to rule on those submissions Thursday morning. For Carey, ZNS Network News.